This is a review from Laxmas Laxmas LED lighting kit. Let's go. So here we have this LED lighting kit from Light. So we're gonna open the box, and inside the box comes with some instruction manuals, a little customer service email guide. You're gonna need that if anything ever goes wrong. It comes with some extra seals for your light bulbs, and then it comes with the light bulbs itself. Now these are awesome aluminum plated LED lights, and they come with a little fan in the back to cool these down so they don't overheat. When we remove our lights, in here you're gonna find 2 gloves that they were so kind to include with this kit. That way you don't get messy. Let's go. This is our 2015 Toyota Corolla. Let's open our hood and replace our lights. First, we locate our lights. We twist and remove our old light bulb. Then we press the connector and release our bulb. Here's the new bulb and here's the old bulb. Look at this side-by-side comparison. You can definitely tell the difference. Installation of the new lights is the opposite of removal. All you have to do is plug it in the socket, twist it back in the headlight, and you're fully operational.